All right, welcome back to day 2, part 2, whatever you want to call it, of the Glastron-Carlson CV23 build. So today what I want to focus on is getting all the rot out in the floor and then start cutting out those patch panels so we can get those in place.
Go on. There's a lot of pressure on here.
Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? All right, so it's pretty hot and I'm pretty much in the direct sun. So what I'm gonna do is get the top, the bimini top that goes on it, and put that up. If I can remember which way this goes, I think this way. Oh, fell in the rot. Everything's breaking on me. No tools up here. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Hopefully it's in the right spot. Now I bet I haven't opened this thing up in 3 years. There's no telling what it's going to look like. I think you're supposed to be able to grab these and pull. Oh, we got to set the back ones on. My Texas flag. Looks like it's seen better days. Okay, now we're in the shade. Perfect. All right, so the plan is to have this guy in the close-up shots, and then you'll have the overview right here. So I'm gonna start hammering this wood out until I find some wood that's not rotten. Now I think I need my pry bar. Oh, I gotta watch this. Make sure not we're messing up our audio. Why are you repairing the file? Please wait, repairing your file. Why didn't it do nothing? Don't tell me it's from the vibrations of... Oh, you know what? I bet you this battery's no good. Oh no, it says 80%. What the heck? No, this battery has to be toast, because every time I turn it on, it just shuts off. The battery's toast. Okay. We'll get a new battery. That feels like... Oh yeah, that's rotted. kind of moving around a bit. My screws are popping out, so if the screws are popping out, that's got to mean it's rotted, right? Got a hole in it. Okay, I think I found it all. We have a visitor. Who is this? Blue, what are you doing? Are you disgusted? Are you afraid? Are you gonna pee on the boat? All right. Anyway, without getting into that area on either side, so we're rotted there pretty good ways, at least a foot. This whole panel right here came off, that rotted off. This seems to be good. Around there, all that's rotted. And then around this seat, around that one, it's rotted. Now, part of me wants to replace the whole thing. The other part says I'm supposed to go out and test this thing tomorrow, and we need to kind of get it done and over with. So, how thick is this plywood anyway? That's got to be 1/2 inch. I know it's probably swelled a little bit, but I bet you it's 1/2 inch. This piece, like, some of this stuff is fiberglass and most of it's not. Like, it looks like, you know, most of the surface area on here is not fiberglass at all. They just use marine grade plywood, which I thought you're supposed to glass everything when you know, put wood down. But what do I know? I don't build boats. Okay, so I'm gonna get a drink of water, cool down a little bit, and then come out here with the saw and start marking stuff out. Okay, I gotta watch my microphone because it looks like it might die on me. So I've got the saw in here, right there, and we're gonna start cutting away at this rotten wood and throwing it out over the side. So we need to set our depth to like 1/2 inch, because I think that's how thick the board is. That should be good right there. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to do that. Fairly certain that's not supposed to happen. Do not over tighten. Well, it's not even tight. I don't have the right tools up here. Okay, I'll be back when I get the right tools. I guess I need to get the saw I normally use. Just a little more depth. That looks like a rat spinner. So this looks pretty good. So I think we got most of the rod out. I think we need to go further this way. This has gotten some repairs done to it already, it looks like. Oh, there's a nest in it. Somebody made them a nice little home. All right, let's cut out another section. This looks like a split already, so we're gonna try and cut on this line. So I cut as far as the saw would go on both sides, and then I'm just gonna cut across to join them together. I know this is probably not the how-to video you should watch for boats, but if you are and this is your first one, then I'll do my best. I should have cut it like another at least 3/4 of an inch, because I'm not going to make it's not going to make the break because of the edge of the blade. Let's see if we can pull something up. There's a support. No, there's no support. Why is this not coming up? There is a support. I guess this is factory. They put this under there, I guess, for the seats, and that's why these stringers are cut out, just for that. There's another one completely rotted. These are both. That camera's not even on. I got plenty of battery, I got plenty of life. Why did you shut off on me? Okay. So these have, these have wood underneath them for the seats to reinforce them already, and they're completely rotted out. It only goes like a couple inches past where I cut. So that one's done. Let's check out this one right here. It's a nice little close-up. See how this relief cut is there for your braces, and this is your normal stringer. I guess they use steel staples. It's kind of weird. Let's cut this out. So, same thing, I cut 3/4 of an inch past so it goes all the way through. It's not too bad, mainly rotted on this stringer. Oh look, there's more droppings from I guess the mice trying to make a home. Okay, we will need to cut more into here. So this isn't good. Looks like this board is rotted. I feel like wasted space under there. Okay, I guess I need to decide how much I love this boat, because we're gonna have to dive down further and get more of this rotten wood out. It's always worse. It's always worse than what you think it is. Always. And then I need to figure out where I'm gonna cut this at. I really want to take this whole center section out and just see what's what. Like, how hard is that to actually take, you know, this whole panel out? Right, because it's only caulked in. It's not like it's fiberglassed in, so it's meant to come out. Let's see what we can get off this thing. That one's stripped out. Let's lift this panel out. There is a screw there. Okay, we're just gonna dump this over the side. Okay, come on, come on. Come on. Uh-oh. I killed the tomato. Okay. I think I want to redo this panel. I'm pretty sure I do. Look at that wasted space right there. Is something living in there? Or was? Anyway, you could almost fit a cooler right there. What a waste. Same thing under there and under there. There's nothing. It's just the void. So that's a pretty big fuel tank. I think it holds like, I want to say it holds like 30 gallons, but it looks bigger than that. It looks huge. All right, dinner time.